What it do, man? We back in this thing. The sun is setting, the clouds is coming in. I hope y'all can see me. But we just completed the first, man, the very first time I've hauled something off a load board. I got 2 vehicles from Central Dispatch. Check it out. Big ass Dodge Ram 2500 diesel, actually, and a Jeep Compass. This one came from Rick Hendricks Chrysler in Duluth, Georgia. This one came from Ed Voiles Chrysler in Marietta, Georgia, and we here at Troncalli in Cumming, Georgia. So from the first pickup to the drop off was 62 miles. Paid me $345. So I'm happy with that, man. That's good for my first one. I got I'm showing y'all this side because the sun is kind of shining here, so you can actually see what I'm doing. Come on this side, man. I think it's kind of dark, but it didn't have its it wasn't all good. This Dodge right here, man, I wasted 2 hours waiting on that thing, man. I got there at 2 o'clock. They didn't give me the keys to that truck till 4 o'clock. So I don't know what they had going on, man. They kept telling me story after story, but they finally found it. Somebody got the damn keys and gave it to me. So that was a little BS, but you know, I made it through it. I played it cool. But man, I'm happy with that. I am happy with that. So I'm gonna get them off here. I got to find me some vittles, man. I'm so damn hungry. I ain't had no lunch today. But I just wanted to show y'all that, man. Hopefully y'all enjoy this like I do. So we'll holler at y'all later on, man. Peace. What it do, man. Y'all seen that little test drone flying session? The battery was dead. That was right out the box. I was testing it out. But we out here, man. We're picking up this dump. Y'all remember the dump we dropped off a little while ago? It's ready to go. Picking that up. We got the new trailer with us, man. We're gonna give this a shot. That dump is long, man. So I want to see what happens when I try to load it on here. If it doesn't go right on, then I got a couple of ideas, but I need to be using this trailer so I can determine, is it gonna be good for an everyday trailer? If it ain't, you know, might get rid of it and get something that's better, or might just keep it anyway and just keep it in the fleet, you know. So I think I got that drone charged up a little bit. I might pull it out, see if we can get some more footage with it. And since I'm here by myself, I left the house early. Brave, Ben, Quan, everybody was sleeping late, so let me let these ramps down and we'll see if we can give it a shot. Yeah, so see, I'm not sure this angle is gonna be right. It might work, but it might be too high. That's good. We ain't gotta drive it. I use the winch.
Yeah, this thing got some power.
Yeah. Yeah, I wanted to use the winch anyway, so I can try it out. I ain't used that winch yet. I just got this trailer.
Man, that's a nice setup, bro.
I appreciate it, but yeah, I want to try that winch anyway. You built it? You built this motor?
Yes, sir.
Tell me about it.
385 stroker.
Yeah.
Everything is brand new. Eagle crank rod, 630 solid lift roller can filled aluminum heads.
I heard you built it like 10, 15 years ago, didn't you?
It's about going on 7.
7? Okay.
It wouldn't needed that, but he took it to somebody.
And they messed it up, huh?
They messed it up, man.
I hear that.
You know?
It's a nice car, nice engine. Sure sounds good.
This thing is yeah.
All right, well, I'm gonna hook this winch up to it and we're gonna get it up on there. That worked out well, man.
Oh, yeah.
I think I probably could have put some boards on the back. I need to get some 2x6s or something because I think the tailpipes might have dragged a little bit. But yeah, car so long. I'm gonna get some 2x6s or something like that, and that'll be.
Robert.
This is a GoPro camera. Say hi to the people.
Hi.
Hey, he wants that drone and I want that bag of chips. He said he'll trade me, but I had to turn him down on that. I had to turn him down, but yeah, the thing went on there, man. I'm happy with that. That went strong. The incline was decent. That's a long car. So that gives me a good hope for other things that I haul with it. So yeah, man, I'm gonna get this thing strapped down and we gonna hit the road, take this to Jefferson, Georgia, and I might get back with y'all when I drop it off.
2 hours later.
We done made it out here, man. Got the whole family with us.
What's up, people?
Yeah, I'll say hey to the camera. Oh, look, just look at this. Look at this pretty face right here. Ooh, Lord have mercy. What's up, girl? Say hey to the camera.
Hey.
Yeah, we done made it out here, man. We got Bray, we got Ben, Short Bed Gang in the building. Y'all know how we do. So we done got out here. Y'all see when I loaded it earlier, the tail pipes scraped in the gravel a little bit. So I had an idea for that. That's another reason I stopped by the house, in addition to picking them up. But I want to try these ramps right here, man. I think this is gonna give me enough angle for stuff to come off without dragging. So I'm gonna set them up, get these down, and give it a shot.
Nice trailer. I got an idea what you want to do.
Yep, let that mud down like that. And that sucker should give it just what it needs to get off of it.
Yeah, I got an idea what you want to do.
Got this spring loaded right there. All I gotta do is line it up when you come off.
Yeah, just make sure I don't miss it.
Yep. So we should have a better angle right here so he won't bottom out. We're gonna see if this idea works. Hopefully it does. Got it? Hold on. All right, you got it. Right back.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
Come on, I'm putting the wood down.
Dang, I thought that would work.
All right, let's get out of sight. Bingo. Hey. Go on and man us out down the road right quick.
I got to take the front you on. I won't.
All right. That's it. Need to get some long. I need to get some 2x6s long. They'll come out a little further, and then it should be good. All right, That's it, man. We finna go get some grub, some vittles, as I like to call it.
Yeah.
That's it, man. Everybody's out here, drone up in the sky somewhere, way up there.
Right
All right, we'll holler at y'all. Peace. All right, people, our travels have brought us back to where we dropped off at Denali, man. This lady called us, said it was for sale. We're picking this thing up for $450. Quan negotiated the price.
I did all that.
Good job on that. So look at here, man. This thing got a cow hood. They're standing right over there, so I don't want to be too loud. This thing got a cow hood on it. Metal, too, for this body style. This thing got to be worth something. Front lights and body clip. It's got console inside. I'm blowing the tire up right now. Got console inside. It looks like it's in one piece. Got the Tahoe seats, overhead console. A lot of stuff we can use, man. But the main thing that I'm thinking about is possibly this engine for the Escalade and the wire harness, because it's been cut. So if we swap it over, man, that thing will be a running vehicle. So write up this bill of sale right quick, and we'll get this thing loaded, letting that tire pump up, and we'll put it on the new trailer. Then we'll go get some vittles, man. We all hungry. We're trying to decide what to eat, man, and we at an impasse right now. We got to figure it out. All right, we got it pushed up to the ramps. We're gonna hook the winch up to it. Look at these nice mirrors, man. Yes, sir. We got some parts we can use off this bad boy for $450. What? I'll take that all day. Just fell in my lap, man. I tell y'all, I don't be looking for this stuff. It just fall in my lap. Put the bad boy on free spool mode. Pull it out. The synthetic rope got 80 feet. It's got 80 feet of rope, while the cable model only got 60 feet, I believe. Hold this, Bray. Then I don't have to use a shackle no more. This thing come with a big ass shackle, so I ain't gotta use a shackle. I just put this around the sway bar. If it had one.
There isn't one?
Nah. So you know what I'm gonna use?
The bumper.
Nah, the other piece. The other piece I got. The little triangle piece.
Yeah.
Come this way.
Wait.
You can stand up there if you want. All right, we got it. Another one in the books. Another one coming back to the KJ compound, man. Finna damn strap this thing down and get the hell on. I'm hungry. What we doing? You figured it out yet?
We're going to get something to eat in between Chick-fil-A and Zach's Olo.
All right, well, we're gonna figure something out, man. Hey, that's it for this episode. I don't think I'm doing nothing else today. It's hot as hell out here in Georgia. We finna go relax. Peace. What it do, man? It's the next day. We got this thing back to the house, looking it over, finna get it off, put it in its spot. As y'all can see, we got stuff everywhere in the yard. Dually beds, OBS trucks. Got the wife and the baby girl out here having a little fun. But man, this thing was well worth $450 in my opinion. So we got a 350 Vortec, uncut wire harness, of course. Engine bay actually looks pretty damn good. So this should be a good donor for the Escalade. Get that thing on the road. So we got some nice headlights. The grill got a little crack in it, but I also like the tail lights. I'll show y'all those. We got good mirrors. I think I need to put a set of these on 700. We got OEM wheels. Hey, there's some wheels in the back in there. I have to show them to you. Look at these tail lights. I don't know how much they're worth, but they're nice. get it open. Anyway, we finna get it off. I think I'm gonna drive it off. It actually cranks up and runs, but the transmission's bad. I assume that means it doesn't drive like forward. So we're gonna give it a shot and see if I can back that thing off and like reverse. Just back it right off the trailer, put it in this spot. And then just hopefully tackle it one day, man, when I get time. Been so busy. But here, hold the camera. And let me see if I can back this thing off.
You holding it. You stand.
That's a GMC.
Yeah.
But it says it at the front.
Yeah.
GMC.
Quit moving. Leave it alone.
1, 2, 3,
Didn't go in
4,
drive, it didn't go in
5.
reverse. It felt like it was going in reverse, but when I got on the flat ground, it wasn't moving. So, I don't know what the hell that's about. But man, that was a come up. What y'all think? I think that was a come up. So look, as you can see earlier in the video, when we loaded that dump, it scraped on the back, and then it scraped when I used the plastic oil change ramps. So I think I'm just gonna bite the bullet and buy some of them race ramps. I'll probably put a picture on the screen right here, but they're like a little over 6 feet long, and they have a major angle. And the top right here where this ramp would sit on top of the other ramp would be 7 inches, so it would raise this up. So I think that would be much better, that angle right there, compared to, you know, roughly something like that. It's worth a shot. Otherwise, man, if I can't get it where the cars go on and off, you know, better, I might have to offload that mug. Or I might keep it, man, you know, if I can make a few dollars with it, make it reasonable, keep it, build the fleet, build the equipment list and all that. But I need a better car trailer specifically. And after hauling them 2 loads, I kind of need a multi-car trailer specifically for cars, make it a lot easier. So we'll see. We got a lot cracking, man. I appreciate y'all supporting the channel, supporting me and the wife and the kids and the family and everything. So we'll keep y'all in the loop, let y'all know what decisions we make. And until then, man, we're gonna keep it trucking, man. But we got it. See y'all later. I'm fonder than that, Buster.
I got one of those. I got a cheeseburger.
Yeah.
So you got the peanut.